Wow, folks, look at this. Unbelievable. Chocolate habanero. And then also I have another one over here. It's called the Trinidad Scorpion. They start out kind of orange and then they get like this pink, hot pink. I didn't research it before I bought it. Didn't realize it happens to be one of the hottest peppers in the world. Color looks just like chocolate. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the peppers cooking for about 8 minutes. Okay, let's get some Himalayan salt in there. Definitely a lot softer now. Everything's really getting tender. Okay, now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of distilled white vinegar. Ooh, wow. Cover that back up again. Okay, last thing we're going to add is just a little bit of sugar. Just a dash of that, just to sweeten it up a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and simmer it on low for another 5 or 10 minutes, just to really let that cook down. And then once that's done, then we're going to blend it. I allowed it to cool down a little bit. Let's go ahead and blend this up. Might need to add a little more vinegar. It looks like the vinegar kind of evaporated. I need a little more vinegar. That's, oh wow, stuff will burn your mouth off. Look at that color. Gorgeous. Okay, we need to bottle this up. Another drop on it. A little more. We'll see how much I can handle. Keep going. I want to get a good idea of what it tastes like. I think that's good. Okay, appreciate it. That's going to be a hot bite right there.